Alright guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Appreciate all the support as usual. Today was, I'd say, a pretty decent day. I kept busy, and so the time went by fairly quickly. I was not in as good as mood as yesterday, but I ended well. Beginning of the morning, I just seemed kind of irritated for some reason. I don't know why. Just how it is sometimes. Yeah. Or maybe a lot with me, I guess. Kind of just always in certain moods, and I don't know why, and I don't know how to get out of it, and I just have to wait. So anyways, the day ended good, and got a lot done again today. As you saw, I was working. I finished up the emergency lighting circuit with the bug light boxes on the wall at 8 foot, and then the emergency exit signs, which I left the coils for, and then some of them, there was also like another, out of the bug light, there was also whips for another light. I don't know what it's going to be. It's labeled C1, whatever that means. And then after that, I worked on the plugs downstairs and made up like a fourth of the downstairs first floor plugs. Just pigtailing out the neutrals and hots, because with the aluminum ground thing, you basically just cut it off and then just put a ground pigtail in the box, and that's it. So it's kind of weird. So anyways, after that, went upstairs and worked on the piping a little bit more from like 3 days ago. So just added a few more sleeves, cut some holes in the top plate, and then just stuck them in there, strapped them down. So I think that's about all I did today. So anyways, that's what was in the videos, and hopefully you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. It'd help me out and grow the channel. Don't forget to subscribe. We got 2,000 subscriber giveaway coming up soon, and I can't wait for that. I'll get back to you guys, and also check out the description for any social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload videos. I'm going to probably be doing some gaming live stream. I'd probably be doing a gaming live stream here like in 20 minutes as soon as I upload this video. So come hang out. Can someone in the comments just please let me know if you have all the notifications on, like the bell notifications, and do you get an email or an alert when I do a gaming live stream, or only when I live stream with my phone, like you see my face? So if you could let me know, that would be great. I'd appreciate that, and have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace out. See you tomorrow.